Hey you guys, welcome back. My name is Niara Alexis and today I'm gonna be showing you 3 different makeup looks and how you can wear your blush 3 different ways for some different occasions. So let's get into it. My first look here is like a day-to-day look. I really like this type of look. It's a little bit more glowy, but I like that look for like the summertime because I don't like to look dull. I mean, you don't want to look dull out here, girl. No, that's not the bee's knees. I like a little bit more of a glowy look. And so to go along with that for day-to-day, I do like something that's a little bit more like muted in tone, like a little bit more toned down, but it's still, you know, gonna give me like a little pop of color. So I like Day Trip at Dawn. I'm just gonna pat this on my cheeks. Remember, with your powder, you want to put that on after you've applied your setting powder. So with a powder blush, you're gonna wait and put this on, not put it on with all of your wet products. So usually you guys will see me drag my blush all the way up to my temples. For daytime, I do apply it more so on the apples of my cheeks, and I do bring it up like my cheekbones, but it is more so on the apples of my cheeks, just because I'm not, you know, you want to look snatched, but I'm not trying to look as snatched like for day to day. I calm it down a little bit. So that's the type of blush I will apply just for every day. Again, that was Day Trip at Dawn, the powder blush, and I apply it more so to the apples of my cheek. Now keep in mind too, where you apply your makeup is going to change sort of the illusion of the structure of your face. You might want to always like snatch your face back. Go ahead, do what you want. For me, I feel like for daytime, I want to bring it down a little bit more, have it a little bit more flushed on my cheeks. Okay, so we have our second look. So this is something I would wear out like on girls' night, like a little glittery lid, a little bit of a smoky eye, a nice neutral lip. And because I have all these neutrals down, I would like something that is gonna be a little bit more like flirty and cute. So I'm gonna use Pink in a Pinch, and this is a brighter pink. So I don't wanna be too heavy-handed. So I'm not gonna apply this as much on the apple of my cheeks. I'm gonna drag it up like how you guys usually see me wear it, up to my temples. But I just think this little pop of color is just gonna add a little bit of like little flirtiness, a little cuteness to her look. You know, you're out with your girls or whatever. Like I said, I have a lot of neutrals on. I want to make sure that, like, you know, I have something that'll add a little pop of color to the face. I'm all for a monotone look, but not on the face. I don't like monotone on my face. And I'm just gonna pat that out. And yeah, so this is our second look. Like, this is a perfect shade if you're trying to add a pop of something to your makeup. If you're that girl that has neutral everything, like you have all the neutral eyeshadow palettes, all the nude lipsticks, you might want to add like a little pop of color with your blush, and Pink in a Pinch I think is really nice. Okay, so for our last look here, this is more of a soft glam type of look. So your eyes are more done up. You are, you know, carving out all the cheekbones and everything, girl. And so you want to add a blush on there that's really just gonna blend in, but still, you know, have its own little moment to shine. So the shade I like to use for this is Blossom Bound. I really like this shade. I feel like it's such a pretty shade, especially for brown skin girls. If you're looking for something that's like mauvey, it's not gonna show up ashy on you, this is the shade. So I'm just gonna pick up a liberal amount, because when I'm doing soft glam type of looks, I do kind of like my blush to pop a little bit more. I'm picking up a generous amount. I'm taking it up to my temples as I usually would. And this shade also complements the sparkly eyeshadow that I have going on here. So it's a win-win situation. Just to make sure everything blends out, I feel like whatever you're using to like apply setting powder, so whether that be a brush, a sponge, or a puff like I'm using, I feel like it's just key to just go over your blush. It probably will have a little bit of setting powder, but that's just gonna help it blend in and mesh in with the look that you have going here, versus just kind of sitting on top of it and not really like blending in. Whether you might be going to a wedding or whatever type of event, like something where you're just doing like a nice soft glam type of look, that's how I would apply my blush for that particular occasion. I hope that was helpful for you guys. Again, my name is Niara Alexis. You can find me by that handle here on YouTube, as well as Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. If you need help with any other makeup products or how to apply things, be sure to check out the rest of Subtl's videos. We have a lot of beginner-friendly tutorials here for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we will be back next time.